Hello everyone, welcome back. This painting is inspired by galaxies and stars and that kind of vibe. So we're going to start with our purple base. I'll link the colours in the description below. So I'm just covering the canvas with this purple base. I'm going to blow it out with the hairdryer here. Just to make sure it's nice and even, and I'm also going to run it over the edges as well as best I can. And we have to make sure that the edges are covered. So I'm just taking my palette knife here and just making sure the edges are covered with that. We're going to have lots of layering in this painting. We're starting here with greenish blue and then coming in with turquoise green, then just putting a bit of the purple in between them to separate them, fluorescent pink, and taking a bit of Payne's grey here and metallic green. And I'm just playing with it, just dotting it around, just having fun with it. And then I'm just coming back in, layering the same colours. Lots and lots of layers here. Not really thinking, I'm just having fun. I don't know what it's going to come out like. But in this painting, I really wanted to have a lot of colours on there and to layer them. So when I blow it out, it'll give a lovely galaxy kind of effect was my line of thinking. This is metallic green here. And I want to make sure that the metallic colour is in the centre, because when I blow it out, it's going to look lovely. I'm just pouring more of the purple base around so that when I blow the paint out from the center, it has enough heat on the rest of the canvas to glow. Just taking the palette knife here and I'm just going to give it some little shapes. So I'm starting from the outside and coming into the center. I'm not really thinking here. Again, it's just having fun. Now I'm taking the hairdryer and I'm just blowing it in different directions. Forwards and backwards, forwards and backwards. And I'm stopping there. Now I'm wondering, is there anything that I need to tweak? Is there any little changes I want to make before I spin it out? Sometimes there is, sometimes there isn't, but today I decided that I was going to leave it as it was. And I'm just going to spin it and see what it looks like. So this is how it came out. I loved it. It reminded me of star formation. It's beautiful, so pretty. So this is it whilst it's wet. Still wet, just a different angle. And this is it whilst it's drying, taking a nice little photo out in the sunshine. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you again next week. Bye.